In this video, we will be demonstrating how you can screen share with Instron technical support through the Instron Connect software on your Instron system's dashboard or PC. To start, you need to open the Instron Connect software, fill out a message request, and submit it. After the request has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation email from Instron with an indication of the estimated response time. The message request is then received by Instron's technical support engineer through the Microsoft Azure cloud and falls into the priority technical support request queue. The Instron technical support engineer will identify your request as a priority Instron Connect request and will email you directly, suggesting that the best way to resolve the issue is through Screenshare. At the agreed time, you will need to open the Instron Connect application from your dashboard or PC desktop and press the Enable button. This action will open a secure portal to allow Instron technical support to request a remote session. Since you have enabled remote support, a secure request is initiated on your dashboard or PC to begin a remote session. To start the secure session, you must accept the session. Once accepted, the technical support engineer will enter a password. Over the secure remote connection, the technical support engineer will be able to access your test method, add the required calculation, and show you how to save the test method. Once the calculation has been added and the test method has been saved, and if you do not have any other questions, the technical support engineer will end the remote screen share session. For more information on Instron Connect or the other services we offer, please visit www.instron.com.